Good morning, children. This is Shashi here, and today we are going to cover the last exercise of chapter 4, that is your exercise 5. So, in exercise 5, what we have to do, it's given find the multiples, common multiples, and the LCM. LCM means lowest common multiples. So, first example you can see here. Number is given 3. So first 6 multiples means table of 3. Okay, what do you mean by that? Multiple means table. Okay, so table of 3, 3 first 6 multiples. So 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18. So why we have taken up to 18? Because in the question it is given first 6 multiples. So we are taking table up to 6 only. 3 6 is 18. Okay, in the same way first 6 multiples of 4 you can see here. So 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 4 is 20, and 4 6 is 24. Again we have taken up to 6 only. 4 6 is 24. Why? Because they are asking up to first 6 multiples. So simply you have to remember multiples means just table. Okay, now what we have to do here? Now the next column is given common multiples. Common multiples means which we will get in both. Multiple of 3 also and multiple of 4 also. So common means which we will get in both. That is called as common. So common what we are getting? 3 are we getting? Look at here, 12 in multiple of 3 also, and 12 4 3 is 12 multiple of 4 also. So common, what common we are getting? 12. Okay, then anything else are we getting common? 15 are we getting here? No. 18 are we getting here? No. So only common multiples what we are getting? Only 12 we are getting. Okay, so we'll write here common multiples 12. Now common multiples we have got 12. Now LCM means lowest common multiple. So which one is the lowest? Only one number is we have got common. So lowest common multiple will be 12 only. Got it? So in the same way, come to question number B. So first of all we have to write what? First of all we have to write 6 multiples of 6. So 6 multiples of 6, that means table of 6. 6 1 is 6, then 6 2 is 12, then 6 3 is 18, then 6 4 is 24, then 6 5 is 30, and 6 6 is 36. Why we have taken up to 36? Because they are asking only up to 6 multiple. So 6 6 is 36. Same way we'll write multiples of 9. That means table of 9. So table of 9, 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, then 9 5 is 45, and 9 6 is 54. Okay, now we have to see common multiple. Okay, we have to see common multiple. What common multiple we are getting? Common multiple means which we are getting in both. So we'll see here which we are getting in both. So you can see here 18 we have got in the as a multiple of 6 also, and multiple of 9 also we are getting here 18. Then which one we are getting in both? 36 you can see here, 36 here also and 36 here also. Is there any other number which we are getting in both? No. So what numbers we have got as a common? Common means which we have got in both. So we have got as 18 and 36. So we'll write here 18 and 36 we have got in both. That means that they are common. Now come to this part, that is lowest common multiple. So lowest common multiple means in 18 and 36 which one is the lowest? So among these two 18 is the lowest, so 18 is the LCM. LCM means lowest common multiples, means among multiples, common multiples, which one is the lowest? So 18 is the lowest. Got it? So same way you'll do here also for this one. First 6 multiples of 4. So again you'll write 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, and 4 6 is 24. Why we have taken up to 24? Because they are asking 6 multiples, so 4 6 is 24. Same way for 8, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, then 8 3 is 24, then 8 4 is 32, then 8 5 is 40, and 8 6 is 48. Got it? Now what we have to find? Common. Okay, we have to find what? Common multiple. Common multiple we have to find. Can you see here anything common in both? Are we getting this 8 and 8? We are getting in both. Then which one? 16 and 16 we are getting in both. Then 24 and 24 here also we are getting in both. So these are the common multiples which we are getting in both. So we'll write here as a common multiple what we are getting: 8, then 16, then 24. Okay, now these are the common multiples. These are the common multiples. Now among these common multiples, which one is the lowest common multiple? LCM. L for lowest, C for common, and M for multiples. So among the common multiples, which one is the lowest? So 8 is the lowest, so we'll write here 8. Okay, so this way you can write. So find the LCM by finding what? By finding multiples, then common multiples. So last one you can do on your own. Okay, now come to question number 2. Find the LCM on the number line. So we have to find the LCM on the number line. So this is your number line given here. Number line, in the number line we have written 0 1 2 3 4 5 2 up to 20 we have written. Okay, up to 20 we have written. Now we have to find the LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. So how will find the lowest common multiple? So what we have to do first? So first we have to mark the multiples. Multiples of what? First of all, multiples of 2, then multiples of 5. Okay, so we'll write multiples of 2. So 2 1 is 2, then 2 2 is 4, then 2 3 is 6, then 2 4 is 8, then so you'll make here arrow. Okay, 2 4 is 8, then 2 5 is 10, then 2 6 is 12, then 2 7 is 14, then 2 8 is 16, then 2 9 is 18, then 2 10 is 20. Up to 20 only given, so we'll do up to 20. Okay, so multiple will select as arrow. So multiple of 2 we have written. Multiple of 2 we have marked: 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 and 20. All these are multiples of 2. Okay, now second number is 5. So now we'll see the multiple of 5. Okay, so multiple of 5 I'll do with the another color so that it will be easy to identify. So we'll start from 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, and 5 2 is 10. Okay, then 5 3 is 15. So we'll go to 15. Okay, then 5 4 is 20. So we'll go to 20. Okay, now you can see both the arrow on which numbers, red arrow also and green arrow also falling. Can you tell which arrow is falling on both on which number both red also and green also falling. So you can see here on 10 red also and green arrow also falling. Okay, then on which number? On which number? Then on 20 red and green both arrow falling. Okay, so red also and green also. So we'll write here, so on which both red and green are falling, that are called as what? Common multiple. So we'll write here C for common, M for multiple. What are the common multiple? Common multiple are 10 and which one is the another one? 10 and 20. Okay, now least common multiple, lowest common multiple. L for lowest, C for common, M for multiple. So among these 10 and 20, which one is the lowest? 10 is the lowest, so we'll write 10 as the LCM. Okay, 10 as the lowest common multiple. So what is the procedure? So this is the way to find the LCM on number line. Okay, so this is the process to find the LCM on number line. Got it? This is the process to find LCM on number line. Don't forget, on number line how can we find LCM? Like this. What you have to do? So you have to draw a line, then write 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, then 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Okay, then we have to find the LCM of which number? 2 and 5. LCM of 2 and 5. Okay, so first of all we'll see the table of 2. So we'll start from 2. So 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4, then 2 3s are 6, then 2 4s are 8, then 2 5s are 10, then 2 6s are 12, then 2 7s are 14, then 2 8s are 16, then 2 9s are 18, then 2 10s are 20. Okay, so this one we have taken. Now which one we have to take? Another one. Another we have to take this 5. Okay, table of 5. So from 5 we'll start. 5 1s are 5, then 5 2s are 10. Okay, then 5 3s are 15, then 5 4s are 20. Okay, now we'll write what? We'll write common multiple. What we'll write? C for common, M for multiple. What are the common multiples? Common multiples on which both red and green arrow are falling. So on which number red and green arrow are falling? On 10, then on 20. Okay, so on 10 and 20 both red and green are falling together. So these are the common multiple. So we'll write here 10 and 20 as the common multiple. C for common, M for multiple. Then we'll write lowest common multiple. Okay, what we'll write? L for lowest, C for common, M for multiple. In shortcut we call it LCM. So among these two, 10 and 20, which one is the lowest? 10 is the lowest, so 10 will write as LCM. So this is the process to find the what? To find the LCM on number line. Okay, so on number line we'll write the number, then which numbers LCM we are finding? 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 table will draw with arrow. Okay, then we'll see which arrows are falling on the same number. Got it? So those will write as common multiple. Then among the common multiple, which one is the lowest one? That will be your lowest common multiple. I hope this is clear to you. 2 times I have explained you. Got it? So we have learned to find the LCM by 2 method. One is finding by finding all the multiples, or simply you can say first 6 multiples, first 5 multiples, or first 7 multiples. So first we find the multiples, then we find common multiples, then so once again I am telling you, so one method to find the LCM is finding the multiples, then we find common multiples, then we find among the common multiples which one is the lowest, that becomes your lowest common multiple. This is the first method. Then second method we have seen on find the LCM of two numbers on number line. Okay, so on number line we were drawing the number, we were drawing number line and we were writing the number. Then what we were doing according to the table, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, like this, 2 3s are 6, like this, and common multiple from here both the arrows were falling, that was becoming your common multiple. Then among the common multiple, the lowest one was becoming your lowest common multiple. So this is the second method to find the LCM. Okay, then the third method is by division method. Okay, so by division method we are going to learn now. Okay, division method. So two methods we have seen. One is number line, this one, this number line method we have seen. Then another one, writing the multiples, then common multiples, then the lowest common multiples. One method is this one to find the LCM. Another method was on the number line. Okay, now we'll see the finding the LCM by which method? By division method. Third method we are going to discuss now. Okay, so watch it very carefully and try to understand this part. Okay, so the first question is find the LCM by division method. This division method we are going to learn, and we'll see the first question. Find the LCM of 21 and 28. Two numbers are given. So by division method we are going to see. So what is the number? 21 and 28. Okay, so division method will take like this, and we'll see that among 21 and 28 both comes in any number table. Do we get any number whose multiple is 21 and 28, or 28 and 21 both comes in that numbers table? Is there any number? No. 7 is the number. 7 3s are 21 and 7 4s are 28. Do we get or not? Yes. So whichever number will get, which is the factor of both the numbers, that number will take. So we are taking here 7, because 7 is 21 is multiple of 7 and 28 is also multiple of 7. So 7, 21 and table of 7, in how many times will get 21? 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So in how many times? 3 times. So we'll write here 3. 7 3s are 21. Okay, in the same way 28 we get in the table of 7 in how many times? 4 times. 7 4s are 28. Okay, then 3 and 4 do we get in any numbers table? No. So we'll take here 3. 3 1s are 3, and 4 we don't get in the table of 3, so we'll write as it is if we are not getting. Okay, then we'll take 4. 1 will write as it is, and 4 1s are 4. Now when you'll get at last 1, then stop doing this process. Okay, then all the left part, whatever numbers we have got, that will be your LCM, will multiply. Okay, so what we'll write here? We'll write here LCM. LCM is equal to what? In left side, what numbers we have got? 7, then 3, then 4. So 7 into 3 into 4. This 7 into 3 into 4. Okay. Now 7 3 is a 21, and 21 into 4, if you'll multiply, you'll get how much? 84. Okay. So 84 is your LCM. Got it? So this is your answer. This is your division method. Okay. So one more question we are going to solve. One more question we'll see. Okay, we'll take question number 3. This question number 3, that is 24 and 36. We have to find the LCM of 24 and 36 by which method? By division method. Okay, so we'll take 24 and 36. Okay, so we'll write here 24 and 36. Now you tell me 24 and 36, in which numbers table do we get 24 and 36 both? In which tables number? Can you tell me? In table of 2 also will get, in table of 4 also will get, in table of 6 also will get, isn't it? So among the 2, 4, 6, which one is the greatest? 6 is the greatest, so we'll take here 6. So 6, 24, how many times we'll get 24? In 4 times, 6 4 is 24, so we'll write here 4. Then 36, in the table of 6, in how many times we'll get 36? 6 6 is 36, so we'll write here 6 times. 6 6 is 36. Okay. Then now we have got 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Do we get in any numbers table? Both the number 4 and 6? Yes, we get. In which numbers table? In the table of 2. So in how many times we'll get 4 in the table of 2? 2 2 is 4, then 2 3 is 6. Okay. Then we'll take 2. 2 1 is 2, and 3 we don't get in the table of 2, so we'll write as it is. Which we'll not get, we'll write as it is. Then we'll take 3. 1 will write as it is, and 3 1 is 3. Now at last we have got 1 and 1. So we'll leave when you'll get 1 1. Now what you'll write? All the left side, whatever we have got, all the multiples will get as its LCM. So what we'll write? LCM. LCM is equal to what? See the left side, what we have got? 6, then into 2, then into 2, then into 3. Okay. Now this 6 into 2, how much will get? 6 into 2, this 6 into 2, how much will get? 12. Then 12 into 2 will get 24. Then 24 into 3 will get 72. So finally LCM, what we have got? LCM is equal to 72. Okay. One more question I'll solve for you, then it will be clear for you. Okay, one more question we'll see. So what is the question here? Just look at here. The C part we have done. Now we'll do 3 numbers. 3 numbers we'll do together. 2 numbers we have taken. Now we'll take 3 numbers. Okay, 12, 15 and 40. Okay, 12, 15 and 40 will take. So we'll take 12, 15 and 40. Now just look at here. 12, 15 and 40. Now we'll take like this. Now we'll think that which number will be there, which will come, which is the factor of 12 also, 15 also, and 40 also. Okay, if 3 numbers are there, then at least 2 numbers should be there. At least 2 numbers factor we should think for that. So we can take 2. We'll take 2. So 2 6 is 12. 15 we don't get in the table of 2. So 15 will write as it is. Then 40 will get in the table of 2. Yes, 22 is a 40. So 2 20 is a 40. Okay. Now think another number. Again we can take 2. Why? Because 2 3 is a 6 will get. 15 will write as it is. Then 20, 2 10 is a 20. Okay. Now again we'll take. Okay. Now which number we should take? We should take 3. Why? Because we are getting 2 multiples of 3. 3 1 is 3 and 3 5 is 15. So we can take 3. 3 1 is 3 and 3 5 is 15. In the table of 3 we don't get 10. So we'll write 10 as it is. Now 5 and 10. 5 and 10, for that we can take 5. So 1 will write as it is. Then 5 1 is 5. Then 5 2 is 10. Then 1 1 we have got. Now at last 2 is left. So 2 for that 2 will take 2. 1 will write as it is. Again 1 as it is, and 2 1 is 2. Now look at here. At last we are getting 1 1 1. So we'll stop here. Okay. Now we'll see the left side. Which numbers we are getting? 2 2. So in the left side we are getting what numbers? 2 2 3 5 2. Okay. So we'll write LCM as what? We'll write here LCM is equal to what? Is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, then into 2. Now we'll multiply. So multiply it. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 5 60, 60 into 2 120. So LCM what we have got? LCM is equal to 120. Okay. So this way you can find the LCM, and this method is called as what? This method is called as LCM by which method? LCM by division method. Okay. So 3 method to find the LCM we have seen. Okay. This one is the division method. Then which one? Another one. Which method we have seen to find the LCM? On number line. Okay. On number line. And the first one, which one we have learned? So we have learned to find the LCM by finding the multiples. Finding the multiples and what? Common multiples. So this in the beginning we have done. First method to find LCM. This is the second method to find LCM. And this one is the third method to find the LCM. All the 3 methods we have discussed. Okay. One method is prime factorization. That one is not very important. So we are not going to do that. Okay. So I hope till now whatever I have discussed, it is clear to you. And revise the chapters. All the chapters and solution concepts are discussed in the video. So you can go to my video and watch all my videos and get your clear concept. If you don't understand anything, then repeat and watch as many times as you can, so that it will be clear to you. Okay. Everything is there on the video. Okay. So okay children, so today I am going to tell you how you can access to my YouTube channel. Okay. So I am showing you here. This is 5A group. I posted in the 5A group my video, one of my video. So I am opening here this video. This link I am going to open. Okay. Now this link is going to be open and you can see my video has come. Okay, then here you can see Shashi Chaudhary, it's written, and there you'll click. Okay, at there you'll click. Now my channel has come. Then you'll go to video. Okay, now in video, all the videos for class 5, 6, 8, all the videos whatever I have posted on the YouTube, all the videos are there. So if you are in class 5, so you can see your class 5 maths class 5, you can see here, maths class 5 you can see here. Then again you can go maths class 5 chapter 4 factors and multiple, part 6, part 5. Okay, so all the, then part 4, everything is there. You will go on scrolling and you will get all the videos here. Okay, so you can get all the videos, and if you have any doubt from the beginning chapter 1 till chapter 4, on every topic I have made the video, so you can go and see it. Okay, if you have any confusion, you can go through the video and you can get clear to your confusion. Okay, okay children, so your syllabus is over for the first term and you can have revision. I have told you how you can watch all the videos of your class. Okay, so all the best to you. Have a nice day. Thank you.